Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. Today I'm with the almighty Bezalea. I visited her and then we made this lovely food. I can't wait to consume this. Okay, look at that. It's so nice and very colorful. So yeah, it's a collaboration between Nana's Food World and Bezalea. So yeah, just enjoy it with us because I can't wait to eat.
Let's try it and see how it goes.
Hey,
The uncle that you made baby. I have no words. No words. Please call the rest to come and eat.
You're all invited.
We're invited.
Yeah, and if you want to know how to make the Tuo Zaafi, you have to check Bezalea's channel. Okay, I'm going to link Bezalea's YouTube channel down below, so you have to go there and check out how to make this delicious Tuo Zaafi. Okay, and then if you want to know how to make the stew, yeah, you can come along with me. So guys, to start, I'm showing the ingredients. Okay, this is for the Ayoyo. All right, it's frozen chopped molukhia leaves. All right, so yeah, this is what you can get it in any African shop if you live in the UK. So I put that in my saucepan and I'm going to spice it later. Okay, I'll tell you about that, and of course I'm going to show you all the ingredients I'm using. So I have some tomatoes. Okay, I have some beef with bones here to give a nice stock. I have some goat tripe. All right, and also I have some smoked mackerel. Okay, and then I have some Wele. You don't have to omit Wele. Okay, yes, and then we have some chopped onions, garlic, ginger, green chillies, and some aniseed. I'm going to use it to spice my meat, and also I have some diced onions, and also guys, yes, Dawadawa. This is Dawadawa powder. Okay, and we have some shrimp powder, and then we have some fish powder as well, or herrings powder, whichever you call it. Yeah, we are going to use all of these to spice our stew. And I have some chopped green chilies also for the Ayoyo. Okay, so let's get started. So this is my meat and I'm going to put all the spice on it. Yes, I'm trying to just cook it nicely before we use it. That's the salt. Okay, and also I am going to add the Wele to it. Okay, and then we are going to cook it nicely. The Wele is a bit hard, so let it cook nicely. Okay, don't overcook it though. All right, so we put that on to spice. We put all the spices in and then allow this to cook nicely. Okay, so this is just the start of it. So when we start making our stew, we just put everything in it. I tell you, yeah, that's it. We are all set, yes, to just fry our stew. Just look at that. It smells so good. It's amazing. So guys, yeah, we are all set to fry the stew. I'm putting in palm oil. Yes, we are using palm oil. And then this is fermented fish. Okay, we call it momone. All right, fermented salted fish. If you want to know how to do that, you can check Bezalea's channel or my channel. You know how to do it, or just buy it from the shops. Okay, yeah, it gives its lovely flavor. Okay, this is all about the flavor, right? So I add my green chilies, chopped onions, garlic, ginger, and green chilies, and some aniseed, and just allow it to cook nicely. Scent no aji baby. Okay, yes, it is more money on show. Okay, so guys, just add our tomatoes. Okay, yeah, so this is the tomatoes. It's being blended nicely, and add to it. I'm just adding chopped tomatoes to it because I think I needed more tomatoes. Okay, yeah, I'm adding the Wele. I want it to tenderize a little bit. Okay, so I'm adding it to so that it will cook to the perfect texture that I want. So allow this to cook nicely. So as you can see, this is the Ayoyo. I'm going to spice it up, okay, to make it nice because it's bland. All right, so I add some water to loosen it up. Okay, yes guys, it's not that difficult. This is the blended green chilies that I'm going to use it to spice it up. You add it to it. Yeah, So it tastes so good, guys. Add some salt. Okay, you can't just eat it bland. Okay, you have to spice it up. So yeah, as you can see, it's cooking nicely. I'm adding some powdered shrimp and powdered fish as well. Okay, herrings, and this is Dawadawa. You add some Dawadawa powder to it. Yes, I tell you, it smells so good. Now it's power. Yes. So guys, going back to our stew. Okay, so I'm going to add some spices to it. Not really spice. I'm going to add some shrimp powder and some fish powder. Okay, to juice it. Hey, I tell you, this food there, you have to try it though. It's so good. This is Dawadawa, the powerful Dawadawa. I tell you, Ajibaby sentinel, but it tastes so good. You have to try this recipe. So I'm adding my tribe. Okay, can call it my dear. Okay, now I add the stock to it. Okay, we are nearly there, but it's not. We are adding all the protein into it. Okay, that is the beef that we have already cooked. Okay, as I did show you, we add all of them to it, and also we add the fish, which is the mackerel, to it. Now the mackerel, if you want to know how to smoke it, you can check the recipe from my channel or from Bezalea. You will know how to do it. I tell you, it's delicious. Hey, every meat is in this one. I tell you, but it tastes so good, so good. You have to try this recipe. I'm adding some powdered pepper because I need a bit of spice. Not a bit of spice, more spice. Okay, yeah. So as you can see, it is not difficult to do. It smells amazing. It tastes so good. I can't say it enough, guys. It's amazing. You have to try this. It's all done. Waiting for Bezalea's Tuo Zaafi. Hey, this one dear. It smells amazing. Guys, try it, try it. You are going to love it, I tell you. So this, as you can see, the Tuo Zaafi is in. This Tuo Zaafi you have to go to Bezalea's channel to know how to do it though. It's so good. You have to try this recipe. I tell you, gotta try it. You gotta try it. Yes, so you're trying to save ourselves. So guys, try this recipe, and I know that you are going to love it. Okay, it's not difficult to do. It's amazing. It's so flavorful, guys. Just look at it. Piping hot, so delicious. So if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Don't forget to share and just watch how the Tuo Zaafi is done in Bezalea channel. You are going to love this. Take care. God bless you. Bye.